All right, we're going to work this problem out. So we have magnesium solid reacting with hydrochloric acid. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is make sure that our equation is balanced. And you'll see that what we're doing here is dissolving this magnesium in hydrochloric acid. Now in the problem, we were told that we had 0.40 molar hydrochloric acid and we had 25.0 milliliters of the acid. And what we were asked is how much of this magnesium metal in grams is going to react with that much hydrochloric acid. And so what we want to do in order to answer the question is recall everything that we learned in the stoichiometry chapters. Okay, we learned that you can use these stoichiometric coefficients to relate the moles of magnesium that's going to react with a certain number of moles of hydrochloric acid. The only thing that's a little bit different is now you're starting to learn about molarity. We have to remember that molarity is nothing more than moles per liter. So this tells us how many moles of hydrochloric acid is contained in each liter of solution. And so now we're going to use the molarity and the volume in order to find the moles. And we can do that as follows. We have the milliliters. We're going to first find the liters. And now that we know the liters of hydrochloric acid that we're using, we're going to use the molarity as a conversion factor, right? So this 0.4 molar means 0.4 moles per liter. So we're going to do 0.40 moles per liter. And this is going to tell us, after all is said and done, that we have 0.010 moles of hydrochloric acid. Okay, now to do the next part, what we need to do is we say, okay, we have 0.010 moles of hydrochloric acid. But we weren't asked about hydrochloric acid, we were asked about the magnesium. So here's where the 2-to-1 ratio comes in. 2 moles of hydrochloric acid react with just 1 mole of magnesium. So this will tell us how many moles of magnesium that we have. And we'll see that the answer is 0.0, what's that going to be? 0.50 moles of magnesium. Now we're a hop, skip, and a jump away from our answer. All we need to do is take this number of moles of magnesium and convert it into grams. So we can do that by using the molar mass of magnesium. All right, and we have 1 mole of magnesium is 24.31 grams. And remember that we have 2 sig figs in our problem, and so this gives us 0.12 grams of magnesium.